Attention, this is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. NOAA has detected the launch of 3 missiles headed towards the United States within the next 25 minutes. The missiles were launched by North Korea and are believed to be carrying nuclear warheads. The destinations of the missiles are unknown at this time. All citizens are advised to seek the nearest fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, seek the lowest and most interior floor of your building. Lock all doors, shut all windows, turn any heating or air conditioning units off, and separate yourself from the outside world as much as possible to keep yourself from being exposed to fallout. Fallout is a product of a nuclear explosion. Exposure to it is extremely dangerous and fatal. Be sure to keep food, water, and clothing for each member of the family for the next 14 days. Be sure to keep a battery-powered radio and extra batteries with you. Tune to your local radio station for news and updates regarding this event, as cable and satellite television may be disabled or destroyed during the explosion. Medical and law enforcement services will be unavailable once the explosion occurs. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. You are listening to KABC TV. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, tune to the radio station providing news and updates for your local area. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcasts shall transmit this message.